everyone, welcome back. So I'm back with another Diwali / Kalipujo makeup look, and I have worn this gorgeous earrings which I recently purchased and paired it with my favorite purple sari which I absolutely love. And this is also such a versatile wearable makeup look, guys. This gold smoky eyes with nude lips can be worn with any of your outfits, and you can use any products you have to create this look. It's such an easy makeup look which you guys will be definitely enjoying. So make sure you subscribe and let's get started with the tutorial. So as usual, before putting any sort of makeup on your face, you just need to moisturize your face. Today I have used this RHYTHM PHYTO Gel with centella, asiatica and horsetail extract. Works really well on acne prone combination skin. I'm going to talk about this product soon in some other video. Now it's time to do my eyebrows. I'm taking this Faces Ultime Pro brow defining pencil in the shade dark brown, and it comes with the eyebrow product on the one side and the spoolie on the other side, and using a spoolie I'm going to just comb it through my brows. Now following the natural eyebrow line, I'm going to outline my eyebrow like this. So you can use any eyebrow product you have, and now using small strokes I'm going to fill in my brows. And this particular product is having such a nice waxy consistency which helps in holding my brows throughout the entire day, and it's basically a pomade in the form of pencil, guys. Don't put too much product on the front part of your brows, just use small hair like strokes so that your brows look really natural. Now using a spoolie I'm going to just well distribute the product all over my brows like this, and you can see the pigmentation. Since it's a festive look, guys, I just want my brows to look even more bolder, so I'm using this eyebrow filling powder from NYKAA. Basically I'm applying it in the middle part of my brow, then whatever product is left on the brush I'm going to apply it on the front part, and you can see this also helps in holding my brows really well. Using a concealer as usual, I'm going to clean out the edges, and this is a step which I always follow when I am doing any sort of festive makeup look, because it helps in just making my brows look so prominent and lifted, at the same time helps in hiding those baby eyebrow hairs. Make sure that you blend out the concealer surrounding your brows really well. Using the spoolie again, I'm going to just brush it through my brows so that everything looks really seamless and nice, and you can see my brows are looking quite bold and nice. Now it's time to prime my skin. I am using PAC Pore primer, my favorite primer of all time, because I really love the consistency, how it feels on my face. So using a primer is so necessary when you are doing any kind of a festive makeup look, because it holds your foundation for a really long time. And this particular primer is having a great formula. It doesn't dry out my skin, but it actually is suitable for oily combination skin because it helps in filling your pores, at the same time helps in sticking your foundation so well on your face, and I really love how it smells. For the foundation today, I'm using a very long-lasting, affordable foundation by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline SUPERSTAY 24-hour foundation, and I am going to mix a few drops of facial oil with this foundation. Since we are approaching towards winter, I just want my foundation to look really dewy and glowy on the face, so you can definitely use any facial oil you have with your foundation, and it looks amazing on the skin. Your skin just looks so dewy and glowy, perfect for festive makeup. And this particular foundation is a matte foundation, guys, but it's having such a nice coverage. Can you see the coverage? One single layer of this foundation has helped me in covering all my dark spots and scars that I have on my face. It's having such a nice formula as well, and it's super long lasting. This is not going to budge. You can definitely try out this foundation, and make sure that you just need to blend everything really well so that your skin looks really flawless. Now it's time to apply concealer. So using a concealer is also necessary when you are doing any kind of festive makeup look. I'm using this one by Loreal. I'm putting it under my eyes, on a little bit on my eyelid, on the spots that I have on my face, or on my mouth, or on my nose, and I'm using the same beauty sponge, this PAC 2D blender, to blend this in. And you can see this particular concealer is having such a nice coverage. It's full coverage, but it looks really healthy under the eyes. It doesn't dry out my skin. It looks really gorgeous. So you can definitely use concealer on some of those imperfections which you have on your face, like dark spots, dark circles, and it helps in hiding those. Now it's time to set my face. So basically during winter months I don't use that much powder or compact on my face. I basically use it to set my concealer. So today I'm using this Sugar Dream Cover Mattifying Compact, and I'm at first putting it just on the areas where I have used the concealer. So I'm putting it under my eyes, on my eyelid, on my T-zone basically. Then whatever product is left on the brush, I'm going to well distribute it all over my face to set my face. So in this way you can definitely set your face during any kind of festive looks in the winter months. So now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'm using a kajal. This one is by Faces Canada. You can use any kajal you have, and I'm going to scribble it on all over my lid like this, concentrating it towards my lash line, and you can see the pigmentation and the creaminess of this Faces kajal. Now I'm taking this pencil brush, and I have started on smudging out the kohl like this. So basically I'm creating a base for my other eyeshadows. So whenever you are doing any sort of smoky eyes, make sure that you create a base, because this helps in sticking all the other shades really well on all over your lid. I'm taking that kajal also a little bit on my lower lash line like this to create a little bit of smokiness over there as well. Now for the eyeshadow palette, I am using Imagic, a 16 color eyeshadow palette, which is a great eyeshadow palette, guys. You can use any neutral or nude eyeshadow palette you have. So taking this base shade from the palette, I'm going to blend out that kohl which I have put on all over my lid. You can use a light brown shade for this purpose as well, and you can see it's looking so gorgeous. Everything is looking so well blended. Taking this deep burgundy shade having brown undertone, I'm going to just apply it on the outer 2/3 of my lid. As you can see, basically I'm concentrating it on the outer corners to create a depth on my eyes. Taking this light beige shade again, I'm going to blend out the edges so that everything looks nice and there is no harsh lines. Now this is the star of the show. It's a gorgeous cream eyeshadow which you are going to get in this palette, guys, and look at the pigmentation. It's a pure gold shade, looks amazing. I think on all Indian skin tones, and this particular eye look you can wear with any of your outfits, guys. I'm using my fingers to apply this on all over my lid. Now I'm just defining the edges of my lid with the help of a smudging brush, and now taking that previous blending brush again, I'm going to blend out the edges so that there is no harsh lines. Now taking this burgundy shade, I'm going to diffuse that gold really well into my outer corners so that everything looks seamless and there is no harsh lines. Taking the Faces kajal again, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline and going to apply it thickly on my lower lash line, and you can see how smoothly this applies, which I'm going to smudge out using that light beige shade from the palette with the help of a pencil brush. As you can see, this helps in creating such a nice smokiness on all over my lower lash line, followed by that dark burgundy shade. I'm going to apply it on the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. Taking the gold again, I'm going to apply it on the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line to just make it look similar with my lid shade. Now for the liner, I'm using Colorbar waterproof liquid liner in the shade black. It's very long lasting, it's matte, and you can definitely skip drawing winged eyeliner, but you know I just love drawing winged eyeliner because it helps in defining my eyes really well. For the mascara, I'm using everyone's favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to coat my upper and my lower lashes with it. I used to love this mascara so much in my college days, and it helps in defining my lashes so well, helps in lengthening, and I think if you want to try out an affordable mascara, definitely try out the Lash Sensational one, guys. You're going to love how it actually looks on your eyes, and I am really liking how it turned out. I'm adding these pair of falsies, my staple PAC Mink eyelash in number M75, and this is how the final eye look turned out. Really happy how it looks. It looks so neat and tiny, and I really like the effect. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face. I need to add some warmth to my face, for which I need to contour. I'm using NYKAA Contour and Highlight Duo in the shade Sizzle Chisel, and using that contour shade from the palette, I'm going to apply it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my jawline, basically on the outer perimeters of my face. So using a contour product helps in making your face look really structured, defined, helps in hiding your double chin, and helps in just making your face look really sharp. Using a little bit of powder underneath my contour to make my contour look well defined, and you can see my face is looking quite structured and defined. For the blush today, I'm using Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet, my all-time favorite. It's such a pretty dusty rose earthy toned blush, guys. It's very pigmented, so at first I'm just applying it on the apples of my face. then blending it really well with my contour shade. If you think that you have overdone your brush, you can definitely use a damp sponge on all over your face to just make everything look seamless and nice. I also have applied a little bit of blush on my nose to make it look really blushing and nice. Now for the highlighter, today I'm using K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz, and this is the first time I'm using it and I absolutely love the packaging. It's a gorgeous champagne shade having rose gold undertone. So I'm going to put highlighter on the highest points of my face, like my cheekbones, like my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, chin, and this particular shade works really well on all Indian skin tones. So you just need to blend it really well. At the same time, this is not having a powdery kind of formula, guys. It looks really seamless on the face. I'm going to put it on the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone to highlight my brow bone, and you can see my face is looking so highlighted, so glowy and nice. I really like how it looks. Now it's time to move on to the lips. At first I am just removing the excess lip balm, then dabbing the sponge on all over my lips to neutralize my lips so that my lipstick looks really popping. I'm using this Kiro Beauty Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nutmeg Nude, and this is a new launch and it's a gorgeous brown nude color, guys, having brick undertones. I think this is a shade which is definitely going to look gorgeous on across all Indian skin tones, and Kiro Beauty is a complete clean brand, so you can definitely try this one out. And I really like the formula, guys. It applies so smoothly on the lips. It's not at all drying. It's actually having a fade light formula which you guys will be definitely loving. You can definitely try out this particular shade. I think it's a universal shade which is going to look gorgeous on all. Now I'm setting my face using this Wet n Wild makeup setting spray, and just dabbing my sponge on all over my face to just push in the product into my face. Now adding my favorite black bindi because I really love it, wearing these a pair of gorgeous earrings which I recently purchased from the Rainbow Trunk. I'm going to link it in the description box and you can definitely try this one out. Actually this pair of earrings made me try this look, guys, because I absolutely love how it looks. And I have worn this gorgeous purple sari which I also recently purchased, and really love how the finished look turned out. Really like it. So this is a finished look, guys. This is how I have created another festive makeup look which you can definitely wear for Diwali or Kalipujo. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. Happy Diwali, happy Kalipujo to every one of you. Love you so much. Bye guys.